Hello. In this video I'm going to show you how to create, manipulate, and delete directories and files by using the command prompt in Windows. And to maybe help some of you picture this better, directories are simply your folders. So when I'm creating directories within directories, I'm actually creating folders within folders. And I'm using Windows 8 Release Preview for this video, but this will work in XP, Vista, and 7 also. And quickly I'm going to show a list of all the commands that I'll be using and their purposes. At the command prompt, I'm going to start with typing dir, D-I-R for directory, and then I'm going to hit enter. And these are your standard directories, your desktop, documents, downloads, favorites, etc. I want to move into the desktop directory, so I'm going to type CD for change directory, space, desktop. Windows is not case sensitive, so you don't have to worry about capitalization. I'm going to hit enter. And now I'm in the desktop directory, and now I want to create a directory within the desktop directory. So I'm going to type mkdir for make directory, and then I need to name it, so I'm going to name it sample, and then hit enter. And once again I'm going to run the dir command, and here's the sample directory I just created within the desktop directory. Now I want to move up one directory, so I'm going to type cd space period period, and then I want to move into the documents directory, so I'm going to type cd space documents, enter. And now I'm in the documents directory, and I'm going to create a directory within this directory, so I'm going to type mkdir space and then name the directory, so I'm going to name this one sample2, hit enter. The dir command is going to be used a lot throughout this video. Is a very useful command. So now we have the sample2 directory within the documents directory. And now I'm going to create a file within the documents directory. So I'm going to type edit, space, and then I need to name the file. And along with the name of the file, you also have to add the .txt. And next I'm going to click enter. And a blue screen will open, and this is the text editor. And I'm going to add some text to this document. Once I've finished adding text into the document, I'm going to click File, Save As. I'm going to highlight the two periods and click OK. Next I'm going to highlight Documents and click OK. And then I'm just going to click OK again. And now I want to exit the editor, so I'm going to click File, Exit. And in the command prompt, I'm going to run the dir command. And this shows you here I have a sample2 directory, and I also have the sample text document within the document directory. So now I want to move the text document into the sample2 directory, so I'm going to type move, and then the name of the document I want to move, so sample doc, and then space. Then you also have to type in the destination or the directory that you're going to be saving to, so I'm going to type sample2. It tells me one file has been moved. I'm going to run the dir command, and it's no longer showing the document, but it is still showing the sample2 directory, so I'm going to move into the sample2 directory. And then I'm going to run the dir command, and here it's showing the text document is within the sample2 directory. And now to show you how this looks, here's the sample document on the desktop, and if I were to go to Documents, here's the sample2 folder, and if I open the folder, there's a sample document. So I'm going to move up one directory. I'm going to type cd space period period enter, and then I want to move the sample2 directory into the sample directory on the desktop. So I'm going to type move sample2, and then we have to type the destination folder, and in this case I'm moving from the documents to the desktop, so I have to type in the path to the desktop. And here's the full path to the sample folder on the desktop. It says one directory has been moved, so I'm going to run the dir command, and now it's showing the documents directory is empty. So now I'm going to move up one directory, so cd period period, And then I'm going to run the dir command. And next I'm going to move back into desktop. And once again run the dir command. And there's the sample directory. I'm going to move into that. Run the dir command. Next I'm going to move into sample 2. Run the dir command once more. And now I'm going to remove the text document. And to remove a document, you use the delete command, so it's DEL space and then the name of the document. And hit enter. Then I'm going to run the dir command. The document's no longer there. I'm going to move up one directory. And I'm going to run the dir. Next I want to remove the sample 2 directory. So to remove a directory you type RMDIR for remove directory space and then the name of the directory and then hit enter. And if I ran the dir command, the directory is no longer there. So now I'm going to move up one more directory and I'm going to remove the sample directory. Once again run the dir command, and it's no longer showing the sample directory. So if we went to the desktop, the sample folder is no longer there. If we went to documents, the folders are no longer there either. And that's how to create, manipulate, and delete directories and files from the command prompt in Windows. I hope I gave enough examples for good understanding. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.